guys, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to another weekly unboxing free stuff video. I'm gonna try to make these ASMR style. So let's get us started. I have 7 items right here and this huge box. Let's start off from the top. I hope everybody's having a warm, beautiful summer. This video is for all of you ASMR addicts. Oh wow! Look at this. This is an ice maker. So I can make huge globes of ice. That's gonna come in handy in the summertime. Something flat. Could be a shower curtain. Oh, it's a knee and elbow ice compression sleeve. Check it out. Wow. I feel like I'm gonna be an NBA player. Which side is up? Let's do it like this. Snap, fancy box. Whoops, that was a little bit too loud. Bearish wrong, what is this? That's a nice box. Your first sneak peek. What is this? Oh, it's a baby monitor. Oh wow, another security camera right here. Okay, I can work with that. I love the packaging. This is somewhat lightweight. Let's see what's in here. Oh, snap. I've reviewed many air purifiers, but they are all large size. Look at this, a portable air purifier that you can take with you on road trips. Cool. That's very cool. I needed something like that. Here's something flat and not too heavy. One of those folding clothes tool where you just lay it out and you can fold the clothes like you see on the TikTok videos. This is it. I finally have it. Oh wow, this weighs like 25 pounds or so. What can this be? There's a box within a box. What can this be? Oh, snap. It's a shoe rack. Look at how beautiful that design is. I'm gonna actually put it right here, right in this entryway. It's gonna be beautiful. And lastly, if you look down here, it says in the box, it's an evaporative cooler. This is a huge box that was delivered by UPS. Let me see if I give you a sneak peek. That's better. So this is what it looks like. Make sure to stay tuned so I test all 7 of these exciting products. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Until next time, take care of yourselves. So that's where I want to put my shoe rack. This dropped from the pile. What is this? Oh, see the LED light. What is this? Oh, I think these are the new LED bulbs that I can